Welcome to today's Tech Buzz. Get ready to dive into the latest excitement swirling around Samsung's upcoming releases, especially for all you Samsung fans out there. The spotlight today shines on the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, a special treat tailored specifically for the devoted Samsung enthusiasts. Let's unravel the details and see what this new edition has in store for us. Today, there's some exciting news buzzing in the tech world, especially for Samsung enthusiasts. Samsung is continuously enhancing its Exynos chips, striving to match or even surpass Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips. Recent reports from Panda Flash Pro suggest that the Exynos 2500 chip outperforms the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in graphics and general processing. While this tip lacks solid evidence and doesn't cover efficiency or AI processing power, it hints at exciting developments for Samsung's upcoming S25 series. Previous rumors hinted at the Exynos 2500 possibly adopting advanced 3M GAA technology, potentially putting it on par with Gen 3 chips. This recent rumor indicates significant advancements with the Exynos 2500, especially considering the focus on AI in the S24 series. Samsung might introduce more AI-oriented features in the S25 series, requiring the chip to excel in MPU performance. While concrete details are scarce, recent hints like the possibility of LPDDR6 RAM in the Galaxy S25 suggest Samsung's ambition to surpass competitors' performance. Speculations also suggest the Exynos 2400 might replace the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the upcoming Z Flip 6. Additionally, rumors point to the Galaxy S25 offering two chipset options, the Exynos 2500 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. In essence, Samsung is vigorously testing and improving its Exynos lineup to implement across its devices, aiming to outperform Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips in performance, efficiency, and overall user experience. This bold strategy demonstrates Samsung's dedication to advancing its in-house chipset technology and reducing reliance on external suppliers like Qualcomm. What are your thoughts on Samsung's chip advancements? Share your opinions in the comments below, and if you like this video, hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out.